Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another PR package from Rosalind, and today I'm going to be trying their acrylic powder, and this one is kind of more on the sheer side, so it's more of a really light pink. First thing first, you got your little pamphlet with the Frinkle and Ask Questions, and then your how to apply the acrylic and whatnot. Now getting right into the acrylic. This is actually of like an ounce and a half, which is like 50 grams, which it says right there. And it does come with a protective seal and whatnot. So now I'm just shaking it up, make sure you get everything, stirring it, because it's been sitting. It's actually more than an ounce and a half, but while I'm going ahead and swatching this, you're gonna notice I actually enjoyed this acrylic from being my first time actually trying them out. Usually when I hear of Rosalind, I think of gel polishing or any type of gel products, but this is like a brand that I would recommend far as me trying this pink. It is on a sheer, and I did notice a couple little bubbles in it, but that's probably me when I applied a wetter beading on. Sorry for the background noises. It's kind of noisy where I'm at right now, but anyways, I'm just gonna let y'all see how it's swatched. Getting right into it, you notice it polymerized pretty quickly, and then it's not on the runny side at all. It's easy to work with, and I'm not just saying this because it's PR and they sent me some. I'm actually giving you my honest opinions, and yeah, I'm giving you my honest opinions and reviews about this acrylic. I'm not steering nobody the wrong way. If you want to buy, you can buy it. I'm not selling a product. I'm not making money off of it. So anyways, yeah. Oh, and before I forget, this actually is on more of a kind of medium drying time. It's not too slow or it's not really fast. It's like the perfect drying time. Yeah, I was too ready to try this color out. I hurry up and grab my DrippedAcrylix tips. You can use code BRIA at checkout, save you a couple coins. And so usually with the pop out, well, I don't do like, usually people do the the top coats, the matte coats and all that. I put just a very small dab of glue in the center, in the middle of my nail, and glue the tip on so the side walls are not glued down, just the middle. And so once I finish, I pop them right off. I have no problem. Y'all can try that and let me know how y'all think, but other people stick to what they know, and that's what I know. So the remainder of this video is basically going to be me applying the acrylic. And at the end, I'm going to show you a set I created that I didn't like. And it's going to be a part 2 of me actually showing you how I created that set. So you can stick around. It's probably going to be uploaded in the next couple of days. So I'm going to catch y'all on my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, how the nails turned out. Yeah, not my best work. But, you know, let me know how y'all like them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.